up, guys? Merv here. I'm with my buddy Andreas.
What's up, guys?
And we're in another Volkswagen, but but now we're doing Mark 4 kit things. So I'll let him basically talk about his build, and we'll get this going. So
all right. So hey guys. So we're currently in my Mark 4 Jetta, 2001. Color is Ravenna/Lagoon Blue. 5-speed manual, of course. It's got a few things done to it. Currently has a K04. It's tuned downpipe, CTS downpipe, and all the goodies. It's got an Oettinger front lip, side skirts, GLI rear lip, whole bunch of Euro spec stuff, Euro front rub strip, Euro tail lights. It's got the FK bumper vents, which I paid a lot of money for. Mark 4 kids, but
yes.
Yeah, I mean, I've owned this car for a little while, and so far I've loved it. It's not my first Mark 4, but yeah, it's definitely at the top of what I've owned.
Yeah, I've known him for maybe about 2-3 years now, and he's gone through like from going from a wagon.
Yeah.
We had a, what was it? It's a 20th edition GTI.
Yeah, I had a Mark 4 20th edition GTI,
which is already pretty cool.
Jazz blue. Yeah. Very nice color.
Faded jazz.
Yeah.
Bring back faded jazz. Oh my God.
The paint was faded, unfortunately, which sucked. But
he ran with it. Like his Instagram was faded jazz. Like that was,
yeah,
that was perfect.
I embraced it, which made it fine.
Yeah.
You know, I didn't try to hide that it was faded. This one's shiny, so
yeah, it's very nice.
No more faded memes. We're good now.
Yeah, and it's pretty quick, this thing. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Like
yeah, it's not bad. It's
pretty decent.
Oh yeah, 1.8T, of course.
Yeah.
Not to mention that, but
yeah, upgraded turbo.
Yeah, Ko4. Yeah. I personally prefer the 1.8T. I like VRs. VRs sound great, but bang for your buck, 1.8T definitely, in my opinion, is the best. Just because VRs, like, you can get tunes from Unitronic, but you get like 10 horsepower more, and you got to do like headers, whatever, everything.
You're gonna spend a lot more to make it fast.
Exactly. Yeah. Or you can boost them, but that's like 5K right there, and yeah, it's not worth it. So yeah,
definitely not worth it. But that's why you went with 1.8T. You've had basically like boosted Mark 4s, all of them, right?
Yeah, all of my cars have been 1.8T, so that's I guess you can say that's my signature.
There you go.
The 1.8s.
And the car is riding on what, BCs?
Yeah, BCs, BR ultra lows. It's a nice ride. It's a little stiff, but I've had race lines and all that. Like, those are okay, but definitely the BCs are worth the extra money, just because the ride quality is a little better. Yeah.
Yeah. And
Got
it
an
makes
exhaust.
Nice noises too.
Yeah. Yeah, it's got a DB intake, the usual stuff.
So it's like essentially full bolt-ons on this
yeah.
build, and with the upgraded turbo.
Yeah, let me just try to not kill any bikers.
Again with the bikers. Last video in Joey's car, we were doing the same, going through the same thing. Bikers trying to ruin our videos.
They're reckless, man. They love the middle of the road. It's the best spot to be.
Oh
so.
my God. But yeah. So
Yep.
what is it about Mark 4s that like you prefer over like the other generations?
Personally, I find they have a very like timeless sort of look to them. They're kind of like Legos, I call them, just because you go anywhere, any scrapyard, there's Mark 4s everywhere. Okay. It's like one of the most like production, like it's one of the most mass-produced. Yeah, mass-produced generations of Volkswagen, I guess you could say. Okay. And also something I like was the amount of variances that they were offered in. Like they had the VR6s, they had the 1.9 TDIs, 1.8Ts, the 2 slows.
That's true. Right? A lot of options.
Exactly. Whereas, you know, as the generations went on, the Mark 5s, they had the 2.5s, or the GTIs, basically with the 2 liters, and then as well the TDIs and the Jettas. Yeah, I don't know. I find they're just, it's more like enthusiast, I guess you could say, centered in a way, just because of all the parts that are offered too. Like, it's such an easily modded platform. So.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
And they're pretty affordable too. Like, you can pick one up for not that much money and
Holy fuck! Holy shit fuck!
Are you crazy?
You're fucking
You are fucking. You are fucking.
You fucking you bloody.
You bloody.
Fuck you bloody. Bastard bitch.
You
fuck you,
bastard,
fuck you. Bloody fuck you bloody. Fucking mother bloody fuck.
That was fucking cool.
Ooh,
that was fast.
Cool. So when it comes to like the Euro cars, has it always been something you've been into? Is like a family thing or?
Yeah, it honestly it all started from my parents, I guess you can say. We're a German family, so cars are naturally, especially Volkswagens, are a big part of the culture. My parents have owned pretty much like every generation Volkswagen there is. They've had Mark IIs, Mark IIIs, Mark IVs, Mark Vs, everything, Jetta, Golf, GTIs. They bought actually a Mark II Jetta, brand new from the dealership back in the days.
Oh, really?
So I guess you can say that was definitely a huge influence. Being brought up into that, it's kind of like you don't have a choice, you know, it's Volkswagen.
Yeah.
You know, if I came home
Like
with a Civic, yeah, exactly. If I came home with a Civic, my dad would kind of be like, what's going on here, you know, so.
Sacrilege.
Yeah.
What is this?
Yeah, so it's definitely, that was a huge influence. And also, as I started getting into them, I just started to love them. They're great cars. I really can't say like anything too bad about them, you know. I mean, every car has their little quirks to them, but like definitely I can say like they have character, which I like.
Yeah.
You know, like nowadays Hondas most of them are coming like turbo and stuff, whereas you could have bought a Mark IV like this 2001 ready 1.8T.
Yeah, they're ahead of the game when it comes to certain innovations, right?
Exactly. Yeah, that's what I like about them a lot. And they're just fun. Like you can nerd out over them, get rare parts for them.
Yeah.
I really do find they're definitely a fun car brand to follow.
For sure.
Yeah. I do like Japanese cars too. You know, I don't only like Volkswagens. I would definitely own like I love Skylines. Everyone loves Skylines. 240s. You know, everything. They're cool. Like it's just I'm used to Euro cars, so that's kind of what I like stray to, I guess you could say.
Yeah, that's why I like asking why some people have like gravitated towards that kind of car or that genre, if you want to call it that, of car.
Exactly.
So, that's cool. Good to know. It's like it's a family thing.
Yep, it is.
Pretty sick. Yeah. All right, so he's gonna take me for a couple pulls here. So
Yes, sir.
see what this Jetta's got.
Right. Let's make sure we're in the clear here. A little second first. Right. we got the custom plates here in Quebec, I hopped on it, and yeah, I got it the first day it came out. It was pretty cool.
That is pretty cool.
It's not. I like adding